Good morning, guys. So I'm just making my coffee. I supposed to have a lecture today, like 3 lectures, but I failed to attend. I sleep early. Last week I've been sleeping around 3 o'clock, and it's making me like zombie. Doug is also worried about it. But then I tried to sleep early last night because I'm really tired. I was in uni the whole day yesterday, so I went to bed early. But then I woke up maybe around 6. It's just before my alarm clock because boss has been making loud noises. After that, I went straight to bed. I'm still sleepy and stuff. I woke up during my alarm clock, but my head is just spinning and I cannot stand up. And now it's just 10 o'clock already and I just woke up. I'm making myself coffee and group work.
Is that how you did?
Yeah. Are you watching my vlogs?
Yeah.
Sometimes. Sometimes if you're not busy. Yeah. Oh, that's how I did it. I'm gonna borrow books in the library later, after my meeting.
I can't find any good book for my case study.
Like the case 1?
설레게 만들어야 된다. 사명감이 있었기 때문에 한 5분이라도 더 시간을 단.
I'm gonna make a smoothie from this tropical smoothie mix of bowls. This is actually my favorite. It has mango, banana, pineapple, and papaya. It's really cold outside, or I mean even inside it's cold already. I haven't gone outside, but I checked the temperature and it's cold. So this is just what I'm wearing. This one is from Uniqlo, pants from Uniqlo, and I forgot where I got my boots from. I think this is from Target. Yep. What I'm wearing today, and I think I'm gonna add a coat or something. It's just too cold outside, so I'm not really sure.
Shinji? This horrible woman's taking you to go and get a needle, eh?
No. He's scared.
I know.
Oh my god, no, 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 Baba.
Because he remembers from last time.
Yeah.
Hey, Shinji. Shinji.
Dogs are really genius. Come on, Mama. Let's go.
Yeah.
Hello, we're off to dinner. And dogs actually knows the place. I don't know the place, so we'll just see you there. Okay. The curry looks different. I love the presentation of this. The rice. We have pad thai. Just gonna mix it. Yeah. My date for tonight. Just for tonight. So I think that's all for today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. So see you guys on the next vlog. Thank you!